Yeah, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Let me share my screen. Yeah, hi. So today, we are going to discuss about how we are going to get free certification voucher. Okay, so usually earlier we'll get Salesforce Associate certification free voucher, right? So now I will show you how we are going to get free certification voucher for $200. It's a prize money. Like how we are going to get that certification voucher. So it's a chance to win to the Salesforce certifications. So we'll see. So first of all, we have to log into the Trailhead account. So then we have to go with a credential. So under the credentials, just go with certifications. So hit on certifications. So after that, you have to come down. So here we have option called community. So in community level, we have third option quiz. So hit on this button, quiz. Okay. So let's quiz here we'll get certification vouchers. We'll get the chance to win. So here we have some different certifications vouchers will be there. Like if you complete these things, then definitely you'll get one certification. Why? Because here it is showing those details actually. See here, learn more about Winter 24 admin page. Okay, so if you complete these modules, it's a mostly it will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete those things, but you will get chance to win free certification voucher $200 for that. So it's maximum 1 to 25 people. Okay, so means when you complete the this module, so Salesforce is going to pick up your name. Okay, so they will pick up and randomly and they are going to send the certification voucher to you. Maybe in case. Okay, so let's say open this voucher, I mean module. So see here learn more about Winter 2024 Winter 24 admin release notes. Okay, so just we have around 7 to 8 models will be there. Just we have to make mark as a complete. So if you want, I already went through these all the things. Just we have to go mark as a complete. So I'm going to do this mark as a completing. So meanwhile, you people can go through this model and you have to do this all the things. So you will get chance to voucher $200 voucher you will get. So we'll see now completing. So best practices you have to go through all these models one by one. So then only you can able to get all the things. Okay. Okay. So here is the two models. So you have to complete this first, 300 points and 1,000 points. We'll see what will be there here. Oh, here we have three models. Let's open one by one and we'll complete fastly. Okay, so if you have time, then we have to read all these things paragraphs, everything. So content. So I will go directly to the answers. When do you sales special is happening? Obviously three: summer, spring, and winter. Okay, for this question. Yep. Okay, so release notes. Now try. Yep. So we'll go to the next model again. Okay. Here is the question. Review. Yep. This one. And what are the benefits they're using the previous boxes? Where? Okay, and B and C. Both will be there. I would like, yep, correct. Okay, last module. We'll see. Okay. What is the quickest way to identify the all new features will be benefiting our organization? Yes, this one. What are the some strategies for communicating with the stakeholders and users about the new release? So we are going to communicate that review and release, collaboration with users. Yeah. collaborating with users and really not see anything. Now see. Yep. So now one module is completed. Okay. So now go to here. Just refresh now. Okay. So still we have one more model. Then if we complete this one and we have to complete all the things. Let me complete all these things very fast. Oh my god. Okay. Max it will take 10 minutes. So I'm going to do fastly. So come down here. Yeah, here is the like two questions. So we have to go through all the steps, then you will get like easily answers those questions. So I'm going very fastly. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Pause. Excuse me. So not more than takes 15 minutes time to complete this all the things. We'll see. True. Yeah. So this is a like quite interesting model. So if you go through this all the things, like you will get some information about flows. So you will get in that. So directly I will go to the questions. Privacy center. Thing is should be like records and fields and updates. Mm, yeah. Okay. Okay. Interaction. Mm, okay, still like three, four models will be there. We'll see if we'll complete. Okay. Yeah, like two more models. Good. Okay, last model. Okay. Yeah, one more should be okay. So, yep. So now completed with this model, right? So now go to here and refresh. Okay, so now I have completed these two and like guidance, I went through all these things. Just mark as a complete. And this one also like mark as a complete. This one. Okay, so mark as survey. So we have to give some feedback or not. Okay. So finally we completed these things like winter 2024 admin release. So mostly if you have luck, then definitely you are going to get that $200 voucher notification link. So once you got that voucher link, so you have to apply through web Webmaster here. Go to web Webmaster. So have to go to like register for exam. So which one you are going to prefer, like so CPQ exam or admin? So anyone, which exam you are going to prefer? Like you can go in there and select online or offline. So register. So have to pick one date. So when we are going to schedule the exam. So let's say today is 21, right? So we'll go with the 23rd and something from 9:45 a.m. and select and acknowledge and select. So once you will get a certification voucher from the email to the from the Salesforce, then you have to enter that voucher code here and submit the exam. So you can able to write the exam code. I mean exam for certifications. So this is the way you are going to get certification, free certification voucher from the Salesforce. Okay, so but it should be like winning chance like 1 to 25. So Salesforce will be providing like up to 25 members. So if you try this one, like if you have luck, then definitely you will get like a $200 certification voucher for this. Okay, keep try. So if you get, then that should be very much happy. Thanks for watching your video. If you have any certification voucher to me, definitely I will going to share with this video itself only. Okay, thank you. So meanwhile, like if you want to complete this thing, then if you get chance like 1 to 100 people, so here also you'll get like 1 to 25 members. So please try to complete these things. Like it should be like December 31st, 2021, 2023. So it should be like uh, this year only. So if you complete these two models also, like you will get chance to get like $200 certification voucher. Okay, keep try. Then if you get, then you should be that should be very much happy. Okay. If you have subscribed my channel, like please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Thanks for watching.